Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can reset your password on your Ali Bank account. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet. Once you've made sure that you're connected to the internet, open up a web browser. Now, once the web browser is open up on your screen, type in www.ally.com and hit enter. After the home page of the Ali Bank opens up on your screen, on the top right corner of your screen you'll see a login button. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on the login button, a menu will pop up on your screen. On that menu, click on the forgot username or password option. Once you click on the forgot password option, a dialog box will open up on your screen. It will say which password did you forget. Click on one of the options which you require. Once you click on one of those options, you'll be further guided to another page. In this page, you will have to fill in some credentials. You will have to fill in your username here, your social security number here, and then click on continue. Once you click on continue, and if you have filled in these credentials correctly, you'll be guided to another page which will help you to reset your password on the Ali Bank. I hope this video helped you to reset your password on Ali Bank. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.